Ew, Cybertruck.
Falling in.
What's going on, YouTube? I'll bring y'all another video of this week. I'm on my way to school. Put his AC on because I'm burning up. I'm burning up. How's y'all week going so far? We almost on Wednesday. We're about like almost halfway through the week. We got like 3 more days left. Yeah. I was actually thinking, man. I'm thinking on starting to stream like on YouTube. You know, like the same page where I post car stuff. You know, like wherever you're watching this video from, that page. I'm thinking on streaming like on the channel, like, I don't know, maybe me gaming and stuff. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I'll be honest, bro. I'll be playing Fortnite. I can't really knock the game, bro. The game is low-key kind of like, bro, this game is fire. Be dropping them. That would sound bad on the internet, but you know, be dropping them little kids. Bro, there's no car in front of me. Bro, these cars be tripping, man. It's cool though, cause like sometimes I would, if I'm being honest, this car has saved me from like at least 1 or 2 accidents. I think last week I was about to hit a car, cause it's back-to-back traffic, you know. So like you'll get like a long stretch, and then out of nowhere, bam, traffic, and then out of nowhere you just have a long stretch again. And then boom, traffic, and then traffic, and then you know what I'm saying? Like back-to-back traffic. And I had space, but like out of nowhere, just bam, it stops. And I was slowing down, but you know, probably shouldn't. But you feel me? I'm like, you know, scrolling on my phone, and then, bro, I gotta hold on, bro. I went brain dead for a minute. Bro, I couldn't think straight. Bro, this is heat, I'm telling you, bro. This heat. Is that a carbon fiber hood? Ugh, stinger. Stinky stinger. Yeah, but like I was saying, man, these new cars, the technology they have, I'm pretty sure it's a pain in the butt to work on. But man, they low-key coming clutch, bro. I didn't even know this car had cruise control. If I'm being honest, I never knew what cruise control was until I got this car. I didn't know cars had, like, you literally like press a button, it's in cruise control. You choose the speed you want to stay at, and it stays there. Bro, I'm so late. I didn't even know what that was, bro. What cruise control? When was that like invented? Like 2008, 1999? I don't know. But look, not fast enough, man. Be fast. All right, look, I can stay out of chill 43, bro. Bro, look, y'all see that? Bro, I'm like, I'm chilling. Hold on, let me stop playing. Oh, shoot's not going back on. Oh, all right. But you see what I'm saying, though, bro? That's cool. What car? My old, actually, no, I think my old car did good. I'm just late. All right, let's turn it off though, cause I don't need no cruise control. Bro, I would do a launch, man, but I think I gotta take my car to get fixed. I think my damn, bro, you see this Tesla? Bro, you see all this traffic coming, and you wanna, bro, let him go at this point, bro. Desperate ass Tesla. I gotta take my car to get fixed. ¿Cómo se llama? Damn, Frank Gallagher. My sway bar links are no bueno. They're making like slugging sounds, and it don't feel good when I drive. So I got some from Z1. You know, there's another part I was meaning to get from Z1 was the poly diff. If you got a Q50, bro, like Red Sport, 3.0T, don't matter, like 3.7, I really recommend getting the poly diff bushings, man. It really stiffens the car up, like, But I'm over here talking like I know what I'm talking about. I know what it does and like what it's good for, but it's kind of hard for me to get it out. It just really stiffens the car suspension. It's better suspension overall. So, I mean, those things like that come really in handy when you want to go lower. Like when you go lower, lowering your car doesn't just come with just like putting coilovers or springs on it. You wanna, you know, just how your engine needs supporting mods to go faster. Your suspension needs, you know, supporting mods, you know, to be lowered. It doesn't need it, but it helps a lot. It really school's on. I don't want to go too fast. It's a 370 Z2. I don't know if he gets wicked. I'm gonna go wicked. I'm gonna go crazy too. I'm not gonna go crazy if school's on. The kids, bro. You gotta think about the kids. But like I was saying, man, if you want to go lower, definitely think about getting like sway bars, upper, lower control arms, you know, stuff like that. It really helps the car like overall. It feels a lot better too. It keeps the car very much more planted to the ground. So if you want to do it the right way, coilovers, aftermarket sway bar. I don't know too much about like camber arms because I haven't really gotten heavy into like drifting and stuff. But I would really say like a sway bar and a good aftermarket coilovers, your car will feel good. And a good, what's it called? Diff bushing. You know, to stiffen up the back too. So your car's not boing, 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 boing. You don't want the boing, boing, boing. You want the cluck, 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 cluck. You feel me? You want to be stiff. Benefit, you really notice it at the corners. But I gotta do a U-turn. Bro, we unlocked the new map. I've never came. Well, I've come this way barely though. I think it's like 2 videos I've come this way. You know, it's like GTA. It's like Fortnite. We're unlocking the map as we explore. Bro, where's this guy going, dude? What a clown. I got a text on. Let's see what the homie's saying. I got you. Wait, never mind because I'm gonna be late too. Damn. Bro, I just noticed that, bro. Is that a Firebird? Clean. So much cool points, bro. You better step on it. What a, there's a fat spoiler on that Charger, bro. What was bro thinking? Do y'all see that? What even is it? Dang. He's stock high like me. I can't even climb. I'm stock high too. Bro, I don't hate on people, but I don't hate on the people that drive the car. I hate the car itself, bro. V6 Challengers are not the move. V6 Challengers are not the move, bro. I don't, like I said, bro. Bro, y'all hear that? That's my sway links. Oh no, bro. I'm cooking my car slowly, bro. I gotta hurry up. It's cause like, you know, when you get older and you start becoming like a more, you know, big boy, big adult, you can't really like just call off whenever you want, dude. Like you gotta wait to do stuff until the weekend. I've worked jobs here and there. Most of the time I've had like flexible schedule. Like when I used to work, I used to work in a family company, and you know how that goes. Hey yo, I need to hey man, I don't like this, but you know, we're gonna let it slide, you feel me? Bro, I thought the little kid was flicking me off. You know, when you work for a family, you're like, alright bro, I'm not liking this, bro. You get on my nerves with this, bro, but I'm gonna let it slide.'t when you actually start working for like a company, I'm talking about like a corporation or something, they don't let that slide, dude. Bro, I got fired at Target because actually no, that was kinda on me though. But still, bro, they shouldn't have fired me. They should have kept me, bro. I was working hard. I told them the truth. Come to find out, don't, don't, bro, you got a lot. No, you know, integrity is a big thing, but you know, like when the cops like, I'm not gonna arrest you, but just admit, did you have this amount of drugs on you? Okay, I'm not gonna arrest you. You know, it's kind of one of those cases. What a bums. What a bunch of bums. My car's a sports car. Look, got a performance meter. But I don't hit on. Bro, that's the same R8. Bro, there's an R8 right there. That's the same R8. Bro, I didn't race it, okay? I'm gonna just put that. I didn't race it, but we was like, you know, I said we were cruising together. I said we was cruising together. A couple videos back. If y'all be watching, if y'all watch consistently, y'all will see what I'm talking about. Y'all will know what I'm talking about. But for real though, let me know about the gaming, cause I'm really serious about that. Like, I want to stream. Like, you know, me playing. I feel like that'll be fun. I feel like it'll be good for the channel, and you know, it could make us build a one-on-one connection more. I want to say intimate, not like that. You know what I mean? Intimate, like, you know, we understand each other more. I understand who watches my videos more, who my supporters are. You know, y'all understand who I am. And I just think it'll be fun overall. I mean, that's the main thing. Like, I do this for fun. Like, I record because I enjoy, like, talking, like, you know, because I talk a lot. Nah, I take that back. I'm shy. I'm quiet, but when I'm comfortable, man, I talk a lot. I'm one of those guys. They probably think I'm weird. Hold on. Before I end the video, I want to get to the audio real quick. Check it out. Check it out. Alright, bien. I'm not gonna say that. You're so cool, man. I like those body styles, to be honest. The older ones. Gives off, you know, Tony Stark vibes. Y'all watch the old Tony Stark movies? Gives off those vibes. But I'm probably gonna end the video right here. Like and subscribe if y'all not liking and subscribe. Like and subscribe already. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next video.